Just let you know, this is not financial advice. It's just education only. Hope you like the video. This is just basic going over TradingView, how you can use it. So thank you very much. Hi all. I'm just going to go through quickly TradingView. Okay, now TradingView is normally used for just marking up the charts, and then you'll be using MT4 or MT5 to actually place your trades. But this platform here is ideal for marking up your areas, marking up your potential trades itself, and then moving across, taking the information from here, putting it onto your MT4 or MT5. So I'll just show you a few things, okay, on this. So to move the pad on this, all you need to do is left click here and then just drag it across. So just left click, hold, and then drag. You should be able to do that, okay, on the mouse. So left click as I'm clicking now, and then drag it, and it'll move a chart. You can also use the wheel on the mouse. If you go to the right hand side where the numbers are, right here, and just roll it up and down the roller, or you can just drag it up and down like that and just move your mouse up and down. Okay, easy enough to do. And if you just want to move it again as well, you can do the way you're doing it, say click and drag it that way and spread it out. All you need to do is roller again, just do roll your up and down on your mouse. Just keep your mouse in the middle and just use a roller. Okay, just get used to doing that, because it might be different to different if you're using a Mac or you're using a normal Microsoft computer. So just click and drag, it'll work that way. If you want to roll it up and down, bring it in tight, just use a roller. And if you want to go up or down like this, all you need to do is click and hold, or you can use a roller on here like I'm doing now. Hope that makes sense. Just play around with it and you'll get used to it, and you'll work out how you can use it yourself. It's very simple. Okay, now on the left hand side you've got all these different boxes. Okay, if you click on them, you've got a little arrow on the right hand side. It says cursors. You've got these, so you can use the square, the X, dot, arrow, etc. Okay, next one down, I'm going to run through these quickly, guys. Gives you all these ones here. Now I use the trend line sometimes, and all you do is click on it, so highlight it, just click on it there, click, and then drag, and then click. Done. Just play around with that, and it'll be quite easy to use. And if you want it, you can just basically move it along there and adjust it. You just click on the right hand side or left hand side and move it up and down like this. Just click and hold. And if you want to write on it, just click on the text, and then you can just put break off structure. Done. Okay, that's it. To remove it, it's easy enough. Just click it, highlight it, delete. Again, you've got other ones here as well. Horizontal line, just basically come along here. So you want it from this top of this candle here, just click it, brings a line in there. Change the color, easy enough. You just highlight it, come bottom down here, and it should come up with a color. Just change the color. Simple. We've got some more little bits here as well, but yeah, I'll go through them as well. These ones here, you've got the Fibonacci, which I'll go through later. I'm not going to bore you with that. And then you've got these little planes. I don't really use these, but like I said, half the time you won't use any of these unless you're doing certain strategies. Again, if you come here on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, click on here. It says forecasting and measuring tools. Just click on it. You've got your long and your short, your buy and your sell. These are the ones I basically use. So you just click on long, click where you want to buy, click it, and then if you want to move it up, you want to move it down, just click on the actual where it comes up here. So you want to basically just click on it, comes up with these little dots on the end. Just click it, drag it up and down. Just play around with it, you'll get used to it. Very simple. If you're good at computers, you'll get this kind of this quite quick. And just run around this TradingView and you'll get used to it. Next box is quite useful. Okay, so you've got your airbrush, your highlighter, you've got your arrow markers. So if you want to point at something there, click and drag it. Just basically you just click it, click, drag, drop. That's it. Okay, simple. You've got some more here, like everyone just click on this arrow and you want to go up here, just press up. And if you want to move it, all you need to do is just click it, drag it where you want it, drop. Very simple. Get rid of these now. Very easy anyway. Right, next one. Rectangle's a good one to do. So say if you wanted to support resistance, or an area you wanted to, say you wanted to measure this one here, you just go across, and obviously then if it comes up to this area, you do that. It's simple. So all you're doing with this box is easy. Just click it, go to it, click, drag. Don't have to hold it, just click it once and then drag it along, and then click it once and it releases. If you want to adjust it, it's easy enough. Again, so just click, highlight one of the little buttons, click and hold and drag it. Okay, again, just get used to doing it, and then once you start doing it a few times, it's easy enough. I use this one sometimes. It's a little circle, okay, here. So like if it hits an area, I can then highlight this button icon here. If I just zoom in slightly, I just click it there and do that. Click it and drag. So all you're doing is click it once, don't do nothing, just let go, and then click it where you want it. To adjust it, it's easy again. Click it, drag it in, out. Alright, simple. And then there's another one, little path. Now it's good to show you what you can do is you can point at certain bits. So if you wanted to go, I'm going to go up. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, 2 seconds. Right. Say I'm going to say, oh, it's going to come up this way and come back down again. All I need to do is click it. So you go up, click it once, click it again, click it again, click it again, and then click it, and then click it again twice. They'll disappear. And that's you there. If you want to move it, or again, just basically highlight it. It'll come up with a little button. Just drag, click it, drag it, move it. Okay, just show you again. So if you wanted it, just click it once, click, 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 click. Again, that's it done. And again, if you want to move it, just click it, drag it down, let it move where it wants. Hope that makes sense. Easy enough. But the best thing to do is have a watch this video and then just go through it yourself. Okay, I've got any more on here what I reuse. I don't reuse any others, to be honest. Text, again, you can put text in, just click the text, click it, and then just type, done, click off it. You've got, you can add notes into it as well. So if you just basically just click on the notes, and you can just put a little note in here, and then just type it, and it'll give you a little note like that. Easy enough. Quite handy to have as well. You can put a price label on, so just click it, and then it'll give you what the price is in that area there, and then you've got that. So basically, that's the price of that. So if I click on here, go to the price label, you click on there, and it'll tell you what the price is at that level. And now you can see there where that click of the button is. Okay, it'll give you, there you go, that's what it is there. You just look on the right hand side, you'll see the same what I've put on, what that price label's got on. This over there is over here. What we'll do, we'll go over the top now, because I think these ones are measuring tool. Sorry, measuring tool, one more. So to measure something later on, you'll know how to do this. If you want to measure the pips, all you need to do is click on the measuring tool. Okay, so I click the bottom here, go up, and the pips for that would, and I click it there, and it gives you the pips. Okay, so it'll be 118 pips. Okay, you click it once and it disappears. So you click it, drag it, click it. Now don't click off yet. It gives you 271 pips. Click it off, disappears. So just you have to remember to keep it on. Click it once after. So all you're doing is, again, I'll just show you. Click it, drag it, click it once. It gives you the details there, here, and as soon as you click off it again, it'll disappear. Right, as you see there. So that's one of the ones. If you want to delete all images, all you need to do is come down the bottom, remove, 8 drawings, done. To go, and that's your clear again. Alright, indicators. Let me go through the indicators now. So come to the indicator panel, just click on it. Now when I find an indicator that I like, I star them, as you can see here, and I just look at them. I just put them on, sometimes I take them off, sometimes I put them on, sometimes I take them off. There's other ones to look at. There's a few that I would put on. I would definitely put on Lux Algo Smart Money Concepts, this one here. You can also put there's a trend one as well, and the EMA one, which I'll show you later. They'll be on my screen. You can also put sessions on as well, which will give you the sessions what you needed as well. But I personally, if you're going to start off, forget the indicators first. Just basically learn the basics and then go from there. But the Lux Algo one's good, which I'll show you now on when I put it on. So I've got this one, Lux Algo, on. If I click this on here, it gives you potential areas, okay, of where it could go up to. Okay, as you see, this one come up here, come up to this area here, and then come back down. And it gives you breaker structure and stuff like that as well. So I'll go through that later on a little bit more, and I'll see we'll show what I mean. But I'm going to come off this one for now. Take that off. Okay, right. So that's basically if you want to look at an indicator. All you do is search in here, and you can go say MA, and it'll go market structure break order blocks. So market structure break order blocks, and you can add that. I've got it all on there. You can have MA crossings, mass index, etc. There's loads, and you just basically search which one you want. If you like it, just basically come along here, star it, and then it'll be on your favourites. That's it. So that's indicators, so you can find that easy. Now alerts. Okay, so if you want to put an alert on, quickest way if you want to do, say you wanted this to know this line was going to break, say this one here. All you need to do is come across to the right hand side, and as you can see, it automatically gives you a little plus button, right? Just click on that. It doesn't have to be exact on that line, you can move it in a minute. Then it add alarm on Euro USD, okay, at this point, okay? Click on it, okay, and now it's there. Now all you need to do is hover over it in the middle, and it will come up with a crossing. So you just double click on it, it comes up here. So what you can do is you can go to message and say break of structure, okay? Go just back to settings, okay, and it's told you already, and you can put only once, so when it breaks it once, or every time it breaks that line. So, and then all you do is save it. Now that is there, okay? And look, again, every time I put breaker structure message, it comes up, so you know you're waiting for breaker structure to come up. All right, that's one alarm. Another way of doing it, say if you have alerts and you wanted it, say to again crossing again, okay, and you just want to put it on, so just go, you didn't go on the side here, click on that, it will come up anywhere on the chart where so it'll come up where the actual is there. All you need to do is then just drag it, right, and you could put down again message breaker structure, and you could put low because that one was high, so you know the alarm goes off, and then it will go back to your email or it will give on your notifications. So you've got breaker structure there, and you could change that to high if you wanted to in this one below, so you know when it comes out area you think, oh, okay, I need to come to the chart now. That makes sense. So that's two ways of doing alerts. There is other ways of doing some indicators, but I'm not going to show you certain, like if you wanted to put on if you had an indicator in there, like I've got a couple on mine, and then basically use certain things, but you'll be shown how to do that if you get that indicator, and it will tell you how to put the alert on, okay? But I'm not going to go through that because it's a bit more complicated. Only when you need to know that, then you can put it on, okay? Okay, right, sweet. That is most of the stuff on here. To change the pairs, okay, let me show you how to do a new list and add a list just for certain pairs. 2 seconds. So on my list, what I have the main list of all my pairs, of all of them, right? And then I also break it down to the New York session. So these ones I trade in the New York session. So if it comes to my area and it's not in the New York session, right? Say I have, for instance, this area marked up. Say I had this area marked up here, right? And it came to this area now, but it's not in the New York session. I would probably leave it because it could do anything. So I just go, well, it's not my area, I'm not waiting for it, so I'll leave it. Okay, so it all depends on how your strategy is. But I look at it and say, and I either take the trade or don't take the trade. It becomes my area when it's not in the New York session. So when I'm trading in certain sessions, I have, so if I'm doing in the morning, in a London session, I'll then have these, I'll be trading these. I'll put this on, I go, right, okay, I'm in the session, yeah, it's good. Then I'll go to, obviously, you've got the Asian session, okay, I have these 3 pairs in the Asian session, and New York sessions there. Now, that's up to you how you want to trade, but, you know, that's it. So to make a new list, very easy to do. right, you will need the description on this to get some indicators on and to have new lists. You'll need to pay the minimum one, which you can get a 30-day free. Okay, so just register for 30 days, and then if you're happy to carry on trading, then you can pay it. I think it works out about £16-17 a month, but it's well worth it if you're going to go full-time trading. But it only gives you 5 indicators on the chart, and it gives you 20 alerts, which I think is plenty for starter. Okay, so to make a new list, so say if I wanted just to add something to here, to this list, all I would do is go on here, add symbol, and then I can just click on which I want to add. Okay, so I want to add New Zealand chef. Click on that, bang, New Zealand chef's there now. I want to get rid of it, I'll just basically go on the right hand side, bin. Okay. There you go. So what we're saying now is, so if you wanted to make a new list completely, if you come across these 3 dots, 2 seconds, I remember rightly myself. Okay, so yeah, so come up to the list itself where it says New York sessions, click on the little arrow. Okay, it'll say create new list, create new list. All right, name the list. All right, Daz new list. Okay, bang. This will give me the new list now. And then all I need to do is go on to add symbol, and I can just go bang, 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 bang. Right, just say for instance I've got them. Now just one on. You've got, if you notice on here, you've got Forex, Oranda, Forex, FX, etc. Now I always use the same Oranda, right? Now what I'm saying is don't use different ones, just use one. So if you like Oranda, go Oranda. If you like FX, go FX. Don't go all different mix around, because the charts are slightly different. And if you use one, if you're using the pair and then you go on Oranda and then you go to FX, it'll be slightly different. Okay, there's a little bit of a difference. Don't ask me why, I don't know, I've just been told it's how it is. So I always stick to the same basically Oranda all the time. That makes sense. Let's go, that's his new list there. That's my new list I'm looking at. So what I suggest you do is I would just work out the session you want to go for. Okay, if you want to do so, and you can have all the same again, and you can just say, right, well, I'm going to concentrate on these and this one, like I've done. So I've got now, like I said, New York. Now when a New York is, I trade these. Okay, even though on the 1 hour, when it pushes back, I then go, okay, I'm in it. But it all depends. If I drop down to the 15-minute or the 5-minute, then I'll use this. If I'm on the 1 hour, I would not. I would just go, yeah, it's come into my area, I'm going to do it. But if I drop down to 5 or 15, I would then use this list. If you get what I'm saying. But what I would suggest is just pick 10 pairs, trade these 10 pairs, and then work on them. Don't go all for 20 to 28 pairs. Leave them. Just pick 10 pairs or even 5 pairs, and then you'll get plenty of trades. Okay. And when we go to the next stage, you'll see what I mean. Okay. Otherwise, it'll be too overwhelming. So basically that's it. So, and I'll show you what I do. I'll keep these here. So what I normally do, I work out what's trending and what's trending and what's not trending. So let me show you how I work out how it's trending. Once you find out it's trending, 2 seconds, I'll come back. So let me go back to the main list. Okay, this is my main list. So what I do on a Sunday or a Saturday, I just clear these lists. Okay, I have them all blank. Start from scratch. Now I need to work out what's trending. Now I use a scanner, and it tells me what's trending and what's not trending. It takes me minutes. Okay, which I'm going to show you how to work out trend anyway, without using anything, but it just takes longer. Okay, it just takes massively long. So I use a scanner with the community, and it takes me 5 minutes to work out what's trending, what's not trending. Okay, and then that helps me for the rest of the week. But I will show you how the long way round, and like I said, it's not, it is what it is. So just for instance, you see this pair here, we're on this pair, we're on CAD and Chef, and it's trending, to say for instance, it's trending up. Okay, what's it doing at the moment? So technically it's trending up, hasn't broke this previous high, this high here, but it's coming up and it's breaking previous internal structure. Now if it came up a bit more, so it's probably a bit of consolidation now. Let me see what the 1 hour is doing. So just for instance, it's consolidation. But anyway, just for instance, for now, it's going up. Okay, so all you do is, as you come across here, you click on it, and it gives you these colours. So if it was going down, you press red, click on it again. If it's going up, you press blue. That's all I use. You can change it to if you're in a trade, but I always leave it red or blue. And if you get a trade and you put it on, which I'll show you later, it comes up with a little mark here anyway, and the trade's on. But what you can do is you can change different colours how you want to change it. But I just go for red going down, blue for going up, and I mark these as I go along. And then if they're not doing anything to consolidating, I just leave them blank. Okay, easy to do. So once you get like Daz's list, okay, I just go along here. Oh, that's trending up. Sorry, down. Sorry, this is trending up. That's trending down. That's trending up. That's trending up, and that's trending down. And that's all I do. And this one that's trending down. Done. Simple. So that's what you do to mark them. So you've got your list. You know how to use everything else. You've marked your list, and all you do now, you need to know if it's trending up or trending down or consolidating. We'll do that the next bit now. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the little bit about TradingView and how it works. But I suggest you just go around through all the actual TradingView itself and play around with it and get used to doing what you need to do with it. Oh, one more, I'll show you one more. Replay mode. Just so what you can do here, if you say you want to do a bit of the back testing just to work out what's what you can do is if you click on replay, okay, you can drag it from here and you can go back a few days, and then you can go right, I'll play from here. And all you do is little control panel down here, and we can say, well, I'm going to put a trade on here, I want to put a trade on here, blah blah blah. And you can go, well, I'm waiting for it to do certain things, and you go, right, okay, I'm going to put a down trade on now, and as you remember, you click on the forecast, go to down, you click it on, you do stop loss there, I'm going to go for a quick 1-to-1, and then you just play around, and then you press play, and it plays it, and you would see if you win or not, or you're lost. And that's all it is. Simple. If that makes sense. All right, and then so it's a good little tool to have as well. There you go, one. So that's all it is. That's replay mode. It's handy to use, and if you wanted to just stop it, all you do is click off that, and you say leave, back to normal. Okay, that's it. Simple. Hope that makes sense. Hope you like the video. Please like and share. Yeah, thank you very much. Take care. Bye.